Stop whatever you're doing and go and get this sandwich. Hagen's Organic Butchers have just opened up their 6th location at East Brunswick Village, and this one has a takeaway menu. There was no way that this wasn't going to be good, but wow, consider our expectations surpassed. The menu is small but mighty. The rotisserie chicken was crispy skinned and incredibly moist, served with some stuffing and some smoked gravy. And the hot dog was probably the bougiest I've ever had. If you've ever had the famous Hawke's Farm chips, then you will love their beef fat chips. They're crispy and cooked in beef tallow. Their shakes will have you addicted, and they make all their syrups in-house. And although we loved everything, our favorite was their cold chicken roll. The flavor and textures they've packed in there, I was obsessed. That salty, crispy chicken skin on top, I honestly don't know how this hasn't gone viral yet. This is a must visit, and while you're at it, you probably won't be able to resist grabbing some produce for the week.